Hi everyone, I'm Christianah and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tianah Tuition. Today we're going to follow up on last week's session, converting percentages into decimals and then into fractions. So let's get started. In order to convert a percentage into a decimal, this time we'll divide by 100, and then to convert that decimal into a fraction, it often depends on your technique. But the technique that we'll be using in this video will be to use the percentage to then convert that into a fraction. Example number 1 is 20% here. So to convert that into a decimal, we simply divide that by 100, and we're going to use our special trick. This time we're going to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, which is going to give us 0.2. So 20% equals 0.2. And then in order to convert that into a fraction, we're actually going to use the percentage. So a percentage is simply that number over 100. So 20 over 100. And we're going to simplify that. So we have 20 over 100. We divide that by 2, which gives us 10 over 50, which gives us 1 over 5. However, we could have divided 20 over 100 both by 20, which would have given us 1 over 5 as well. Great, so example number 2 is 45%. Once again, we're going to simply divide that by 100 by moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, which gives us 0.45. So our decimal is 0.45 for 45%. And then we're now going to use 45% as a fraction, which is 45 over 100, and simplify that to get our simplified fraction. Divide them both by 5, which gives us 9 over 20. And then, so on to example number 3, we're doing 90%. Once again, divide that by 100. So where decimal place doesn't exist, it's usually on the end of the number. So we move that 2 spaces to the left, which gives us 0.9 as the decimal. And then to calculate the fraction, 90% is 90 over 100. Simplify that, divide them both by 10, which gives us 9 over 10. Awesome, so now it's your turn. You might recognize some of these questions from my last video. The questions that relate to the examples that we've seen today in this video are 0.4 as a fraction and 0.5 as a fraction, so hopefully you can convert those. And once again, I hope you found this video super useful. If you have, feel free to like, comment any questions, share amongst your friends and family to help them understand, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.